Now that's a lot of snow for one night, and it's still snowing. That's Savannah. Whoa, and because I didn't get my hair cut this morning, I decided no gel. We're gonna do it tonight for sure. That's Savannah. We're gonna go slide again, and then we have to go to work. Papa gotta go to work. Vas-y, Savannah, go for it. Watch it. Ha! There's a lot of snow, that's for sure. My wife was like, "So you're gonna drive to work today? You're gonna walk in that?" I said, "Well, yeah."
Wow! Oh no, we gotta go to work. Get that. Let's go!
Savannah, viens-t'en! Come on, Savannah. Yeah, mon amour. Come on, my little penguin. So this morning we talked about, I emailed about how opportunities are created. We create opportunities. They don't just show up. You know, some people think that it's all about you, opportunities showing up, you know, you're just lucky, right? People are lucky that they have opportunities. That's not true. You know, we really do create opportunities. We create opportunities based on our mindset, based on the things we learn, based on the things we do. That's how it happens. I mean, for example, opportunities won't show up to me unless I do all this online stuff, right? It's just going to happen because I'm doing stuff to make it happen. So what do you think? Do you think that it's true that we create our own opportunities, or are we just lucky and, you know, they come? Whoa, so it's still a lot of snow, even more snow. I don't know if you can see, but it's basically winter. That's what it looks like. And of course, Savannah wants to go slide. Vas-y, mon amour, t'es capable? Go, go, go. There she goes. It's a lot of snow. Hey, Savannah? Another green one?
Another green one.
Were you outside, Alyssa? Were you outside? Yeah. What happened, Savannah?
Because I was trying to open it.
Oh.
Upward.
Well, maybe Papa can fix it.
Look.
So Papa fixed it. Yay. Oh, wow, look at that. That's pretty awesome. And you said? You're going to make that?
Look.
You want to make that? Oh, wow, the two rings, see? Which one, Alyssa? Which one do you want to make?
I want you to open it so I don't
Alyssa?
break it again.
Whoops. Okay, so we're going to put it here, but we're not going to put it on the floor. And then we're going to make necklaces. Okay? So you're giving all these little ones to Papa?
But you have to make a necklace, a big one.
I'll make a necklace out of it. Oh, okay. Good job, Savannah. That's right, that's right. Push them in. Not easy. You want more so you put it around your arm? Like that? Okay, I'll help you. You're doing a good job, Alyssa. Yay. Yay, the bun. So how do I look, Savannah? Is it a good necklace for me? Oh, you're taking it off. Is it a good necklace for me?
It fell off.
I don't know if it's good. It's not my look. What do you think, Mommy? Does it look good? Does it look good? Hey, Savannah, you like my necklace, don't you, Alyssa? Like my necklace, Alyssa? Turn around for what?
Take it off.
Alright, so now I have to get this thing out of the snow. Look at that. Open up the door. There's all this snow. I got to take all the snow out of there. I can't. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of snow in around the car. I'm going to have to do that before I can get her go. So how does that look? A little bit better. I'll be able to get out. Hopefully, no problems getting out. Now I just have to go to the post office, imagine. So hopefully, the only thing I'm kind of worried about is somebody else coming over and stealing my spot. All that work.